goes again. It stops. Then it starts up again. It stops. Continues. The data sheet's all blocked off. But it's from 2012. So they ain't gonna down the data. But it just keeps doing it. I'm gonna do it again in any minute. Oh crap, there's bugs everywhere over there. I'm gonna have to leave position of view. Still here, but yeah, that is such a weird sound, eh? What do you think? Bugs are right in the back. Yep. Thought so. By the train. Yeah, really weird. Carrier, 2012, probably like small tonnage size. I'm gonna end it here. Well, yeah, because we gotta go. Storm's coming. Just got bit by something. I have no clue what. It's doing it again. Worse. Well, this time it's making a rattling sound. Sounds kind of different. It's not making that sound, hissing sound. Well, its storm is on its way, and the bugs are gone now. I gotta get out of here, so I will see you guys in the next video.